Welcome to the Fun Writings channel, where it is easy for you to plan for the green future in the best way. You will be spreading the word about the need for environmental care so we can see brighter days. The sample for the new book, Our No Waste Hero, is here. When we put our waste in many bins, it will be easy for us to repair, reuse and recycle old things, such as plastic and tins. Mother Earth will smile and we will be happy too. We will be keeping her clean. That is such a great thing to do. Our No Waste Hero knows the No Waste plan is good for us all. It will help us to eat healthy and live in a clean community so we can always stand tall. We will do more composting and planting in a healthy soil. And get great rewards after a while. Simply place orders for books on at funwritings.com, like, subscribe and share here. That is how you help to save our planet.